Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Conversation Journal. Today, Tom and Sarah are going on a picnic. But as always, things don't go as planned. Let's see what problems they face at the park. Are you ready? Let's watch their adventure. After the end of each sentence, try to repeat the sentence aloud. Planning the picnic.
Tom, let's go on a picnic today.
A picnic? That sounds great.
The weather is perfect.
What should we bring?
We need food, drinks, and a blanket.
I'll make sandwiches.
Good idea. I'll pack the fruit.
Should we bring a ball?
Yes, we can play after eating.
What time should we leave?
How about 11 o'clock?
Perfect. I'll get everything ready.
Don't forget the sunscreen.
Got it. This will be fun.
They forgot the blanket.
We're here! Look at this beautiful park.
It's so nice and green.
Where should we sit?
Under that big tree.
Good choice. Let me put down the blanket.
The blanket? Do you have it?
What? I thought you packed it.
No, you said you'd bring it.
Oh no. What do we do now?
We can't sit on the grass.
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
My jacket. We can sit on my jacket.
It's too small for both of us.
Then we'll take turns sitting?
Tom, that's silly.
I know. I'm sorry.
Let's just be careful and sit on the grass.
Okay, next time I'll remember the blanket.
The ants attack.
Finally, let's eat. I'm hungry.
Me too. These sandwiches look delicious.
I made lemonade too.
You're the best.
Wait, what's that?
What's what?
On your sandwich. Is that?
An ant. There's an ant.
Oh no, they're everywhere.
On the food, on my leg.
Close the basket, quick.
Too late. They're inside.
Why are there so many ants?
We're sitting near an anthill.
We need to move, now.
Grab everything.
My lemonade, it's spilling.
Just run. Run. Let's keep the basket under this tree.
This is terrible.
Over there. That spot looks safe.
The rain starts.
Okay, we're safe from the ants now.
Finally, let's try eating again.
Wait, do you feel that?
Feel what?
A water drop on my head.
Is it raining?
I think so.
But the sky was clear.
Not anymore. Look at those clouds.
They're so dark.
It's getting heavier.
We need shelter.
Where? Where do we go?
That pavilion, over there.
It's too far.
Just run faster.
I'm running.
Oh, I forgot to take the basket.
We can't go back. It's too far now. Don't worry. Food will be safe under that tree.
We're getting so wet.
This is the worst picnic ever.
Waiting for the rain to stop.
We made it, but we're soaked.
Look at us. We're dripping wet.
At least we're under a roof now.
How long will this rain last?
I don't know. Maybe 10 minutes?
Or maybe an hour.
Don't say that.
I'm cold.
Here, take my jacket.
But you're wet too.
I'm okay. You need it more.
Thank you, Tom.
I'm sorry this picnic is terrible.
It's not your fault.
Yes, it is. I forgot the blanket.
And I chose the spot with ants.
And neither of us checked the weather.
We're both bad at picnics.
Should we just go home?
No, we came here for a picnic.
But everything went wrong.
So, we'll make it work.
A dog steals the food.
Look, the rain is stopping.
Finally, let's go back.
Where did we leave our basket?
Over there, under that tree.
I see it. Come on.
Wait, is that a dog?
Where?
Near our basket.
Oh no, it's eating our food.
Hey, stop! That dog!
Shoo, go away.
He's not leaving.
He's eating my sandwich.
And the fruit.
Do something.
What can I do? He's big.
Try to scare him.
You try to scare him.
Okay. Hey dog, go, leave. He took the whole basket.
He's running away with it.
Come back, that's our food.
Let him go, Tom.
But our picnic.
It's gone. All gone.
Making the best of it.
So, no blanket, ants, rain, and a dog stole our food.
That's right.
This is officially the worst picnic in history.
Probably yes.
I'm really sorry, Sarah.
Stop saying sorry.
But everything went wrong.
I know. But look around.
What?
The sun is out now. The park is beautiful.
I guess.
And we're together.
That's true.
And it's a funny story.
A funny story?
Yes. We'll laugh about this later.
Maybe in 10 years.
Or tomorrow.
You're not angry?
Oh, it's an adventure.
An adventure with no food.
Then let's buy ice cream.
Ice cream?
There's an ice cream truck. Over there.
You're right. Let's go.
Race you there.
Hey, no fair. You started first.
Too slow, Tom. Too slow.
Wait for me.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Subscribe to our channel for more content. More Sarah and Tom adventures are coming soon. See you next time. Goodbye.